So today I wanted to show you a Christmas gift idea, and this is for your artist, painter lovers. I grabbed this can from Lowe's for about $5.30, and I just basically wrapped a ribbon around it. And I'm going to show you how to make a 6-loop ribbon. I prefer to use ribbon that has the wire running through the edges. I grabbed this buffalo plaid ribbon from Walmart. This is also another option if you don't want to try to make a ribbon. I found this little felt snowflake, a package of about 8 at the dollar store. That's an easy, quick fix. So basically how to make a 6-loop ribbon is you're going to start with 1 loop, and then you're going to start with 2, almost like a regular bow on either side. You could end there, but I'm going to make a bigger one. So then you're just going to grab your 3rd loop, and all the while you're pinching everything in the center. And all your loops you want to try to keep somewhat even to one another. So that's loop number 4. Now I'm leaving the other side of my ribbon still tied to the roll. I don't like to cut it till I know that I have enough material. Okay, so this is 5. Still pinching everything in the center. I'm not really too concerned about how it looks right now because the ribbon that has the wire in the center is very easy to form once you have all your loops in place. So now this is my 6th loop, and I'm going to take the part of the ribbon that was cut already to the left there, and I'm going to wrap it around the center, and I'm going to hold it. And now I know I have enough ribbon, so I'm going to cut the right side, and I'm going to wrap around to the back. And I'm going to take these 2 sides and I'm going to tie a knot in the rear of the bow. Sorry, my hands are in the way. And now I'm just going to go through and give it some shape and put all my loops where I want them to be. And that's what's nice about having the wire within the ribbon. Now I'm going to speed things up a little bit here for you. So I'm just going to pull it through and tie that to my the band that I made around the bucket. So here are some ideas that you can put in your paint can. I have a pint of Wise Owl, any color. I have a 8-ounce salve. I have a salve palm brush. I have a large Klingon, a small Klingon, and some gilding wax. I grabbed some tissue paper because I wanted the black that was in this package. And my grandson is helping me. And I just added the tissue paper to the top. And there you go. This is a great gift for your painter, or maybe you want to tell somebody about this as an idea to get you. Thank you so much for watching. All this can be found at chalkitupfancy.com.